Hello, gold friends. Thank you for checking out another video today. For those just tuning in for the first time, this vertical bar represents the publication time of our most recent video. So this one was put out yesterday, right around 1945, and everything to the right of that is new information for us. What we were looking for yesterday, as we discussed the 5 and 15 minute time frame, was a retest of the 1276 support level. This is a major support level on the 4-hour time frame, and you can see that we came back down to test this initially. There's our 1276 support, so the low of this candlestick acted as support again. We were expecting to see another test of that support. So it did get pretty close to 1277.54, but it did not get directly to the support line. So nonetheless, this still acts as a major area of support, because as soon as we touched down and as soon as bulls realized that there was not going to be any more hesitation, the price absolutely took off. We had a very quick initial test of our 1297 line, so this upper line here as a new resistance. It did act as resistance before the bulls doubled down and smashed through that barrier. Now you can see that when they did that, they came back down for double retest of that area as a support level before continuing up. Now they are in a strong 15-minute uptrend. We came back down, set our lower low, our higher low of 1279, and we've been doing steady marching upwards since that time. This looks a lot better on the hourly time frame, and you can see that here for gold. Hourly is going to be your best friend, and we can see that we've got our low of that retest, our new high 1284, higher low 1279, and then our current higher high is sitting right around 1285. So this may be in fact our higher low that we come back down and bounced off of this hourly EMA. All we are expecting now is to set a new higher high as we keep moving upwards. So on the 4-hour time frame, looks very healthy. Nice consolidation, nice testing and retesting these support levels. I want to see the bulls able to retake this 12 and 26 EMAs on the 4-hour time frame. On the hourly, things are looking very good. So what are we looking for a potential trend change to the downside? So right now, as I said, bulls are in hourly control. A change is going to first occur on the hourly time frame, and it will be a new lower low, something closing below 1279. So if we come down and we get our price below that level, that means that hourly uptrend is gone, and we're going to be looking for new patterns. On the 15-minute time frame, we've already lost this higher high, higher low pattern with the break of this 1283 low. This is now our new 15-minute time frame. We did set a higher high, so we really need to see what the bulls want to do right in this position as they move sideways. So our markings are going to be at 1285, and we're going to have this new low 1283. So on the very, very short 15-minute time frame, this is going to indicate what our new direction is going to be. And let's just adjust that a little bit to 1285.769. So one of these breaks is going to tell us what the new trend is going to be. If we break our 1283, then we are in a 15-minute downtrend. And if we break bull 1285, we're just going to be setting new higher highs, and we want to see a new higher low as well. Zooming out to the hourly time frame, this inside bar really is where we're at. 20 minutes left in this trading candle. This direction is going to be key. Right now, as I said before, hourly potential setting of this higher low. We need to see a new higher high for potential continuation. Now, someone asked for me to zoom out and talk about the macro timescales because they're very important. I did talk about them last week, but let's do a little quick refresher here. Let's go to our 1-month time frame, adjust our chart, and delete this horizontal line, vertical line. I will figure that out one day. So if we closed here right now on this monthly time frame, there is how many days? 10 days, 9 days left in the calendar month. If we closed right here, this would be a spinning top, almost indecision doji candlestick, which is very, very healthy after this monster month we had back in December. I'm not at all surprised to see a little bit of calming and hesitation here as bulls collect their thoughts about what they want to do next. If we zoom out even more, we can see that we are in a monthly equilibrium. So here's our low, higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low, and we are now coming up to try and find an area of resistance that's going to be where we're going to set that monthly lower high should this pattern be continuing. There's no reason for us to believe it will not continue, because patterns develop until they break, and that doesn't sound very helpful, but it's sort of the way it goes. So we're going to draw in potential trend lines here on the monthly, and what I'm doing is I like to draw on the bottoms of my reds, on the closes, and the tops of my greens. That helps me find a nice, concise area of potential trend change or resistance. Now we're going down. Here's our lower low, so our higher low. Now what we want to do is have bulls come up, get comfortable, maybe next month come up and test a new area for a new lower high before continuing the pattern. Now on the weekly time frame, what are we seeing here? Let's just clean up this chart completely. On the weekly time frame, we are seeing a lot of bull movement, consolidation that's expected. We're seeing 1, 2 spinning tops, and then we're seeing this bullish or bearish reversal candlestick followed by this week's strength. So overall, this has the makings of a little bit of a rounded top, almost a bull flag type pattern. The psychology here is saying bulls have been very, very overextended. They're resting, but they're not giving up yet, because we've got this green candlestick after this reversal. This is actually an inside bar reversal. So the bears have pushed the price down. Bulls have said absolutely not. We're not ready for you to take over yet, and we're pushing the price back up, which is actually a very bullish pattern. So on the weekly time frame, things are looking good right now for continuation into the monthly equilibrium. On the daily time frame, getting a little bit closer now. We had this daily EQ break. We did see a drop, and here is where those bulls are pushing back up, bouncing off of EMA 26 support, and looking very good indeed. If they can close over that 12 EMA, there's good signs for potential continuation to the upside and the continuation of that weekly pattern. So this is going to be fulfilled for us on the 4-hour and the hourly time frames. On the hourly, it's going to be retaking of this nice little uptrend here, getting that higher low we talked about, and then setting a higher high. That will then make our weekly bar even stronger and give us a little bit of weight going into that monthly potential EQ. So hopefully that helped you a little bit today. Thanks for checking out the videos, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.